In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Docs with non-Google users. This is perfect when you're working with clients, classmates, or collaborators who don't have a Google account but still need to view, comment on, or edit your document. Start by opening the Google Docs file you want to share. Take a quick moment to make sure it's ready. Check the title, scan for typos, and confirm that any sensitive content is either removed or clearly marked. Having a clean final draft helps avoid confusion once you share it. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the blue Share button. This opens the sharing dialog, which is where all your access controls live. You'll see options for inviting people directly, but for non-Google users, we'll use a shareable link. In the sharing dialog, find the section labeled Get Link. Click it to expand the link options. You'll see a link generated for your document along with an access setting. By default, it may be set to restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open it. Since we want to include people without Google accounts, we'll adjust this. Open the dropdown next to the link and change it to anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to open the document, even if they don't sign in. It's convenient, but it also means the link can be forwarded, so share it thoughtfully. Now choose the right permission level for your audience. If you want people to only read the content, select Viewer. If you need feedback without letting others change your text directly, choose Commenter. They'll be able to leave comments and suggestions. If you're collaborating and want others to make edits, choose Editor. Be careful with editor access. Use it only with people you trust or for short periods. Once you've set the permission, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link is copied to your clipboard. Paste that link into an email, a chat message, or your team's communication tool and send it to your recipients. It's helpful to include a note that explains the purpose of the document and what kind of interaction you expect from them. You can also mention that no Google account is required. That's it. Anyone with the link can access your document based on the permission you chose. If you ever need to tighten access later, return to the